Om Namaha Shivaya. Here you are seeing extremely very rarest, unique golden mouth Lord KUBERA, third of Lord SHIVA, self-standing conch from Indian Ocean. Extremely very unique. See, this conch can stand itself. It is unbelievable creation. No conch can self-stand like this. This conch can self-stand like this. See, it is having the third of Lord SHIVA like formation naturally. Unbelievable, which make it to stand selfly. It is unbelievable, and it's having the golden mouth. See, golden mouth. Very very unique conch. See, this is a regular conch. The conch never self stand, but this conch can stand itself. It's a totally unbelievable. Om Namaha Shivaya. Om Namaha Shivaya. Om Namaha Shivaya. By having this conch with you will get extreme blessings of Lord KUBERA, and you will get huge success and profit in a new business. Such a wonderful conch. Om Namaha Shivaya. Om Namaha Shivaya. Om Namaha Shivaya.